Is Enroll Now option missing or not showing in Windows 10? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you are using Windows 10, you should be aware that support for this operating system officially ended on October 14th, 2025. This means Microsoft has already stopped providing essential security patches or bug fixes. But as there are many users who don't want to upgrade to Windows 11 or whose PCs don't support it, Microsoft is offering the ESU program to extend critical security updates until October 13th, 2026, which you need to enroll in. But what if the Enroll Now option is missing or not showing in Windows 10? Well, here are the solutions. Let's get started. Method 1. Install the latest updates. Microsoft is making the ESU available automatically to devices running Windows 10 22H2 with the latest cumulative update installed. All you have to do is update your Windows and you should be able to see the option. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to Windows Update. On the right side pane, toggle on Get the latest updates as soon as they are available option. Finally, click on the Check for Updates button to download available updates. Method 2. Force Enroll Now in Windows 10 ESU manually. If you are still not getting the enrollment option, you can force it. Here is how. Go to Windows Search, type CMD, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. In CMD, run this command to set the connected user experiences and telemetry services to start automatically and press Enter. Next, enable the DiagTrack service by running this command. Now run this command to add the following registry key. You will get all the commands in the description below, so you can copy and paste them from there. Once done, restart your computer. Then open CMD as before. Run this command to enable the Extended Security Updates program. Reboot your computer. Once done, check if you can spot the enrollment option or not. Method 3. Compatible Windows 11 PCs may not be eligible for ESU. According to some users, PCs that are compatible with Windows 11 may not be able to enroll in ESU. If your PC supports Windows 11, you can upgrade it. However, if you must use Windows 10 only, consider disabling TPM 2.0 in the BIOS. Here is what to do. Boot into BIOS. The process of booting into BIOS differs as your motherboard. You can check the user manual or visit your motherboard's manufacturer's website to check the exact process. If you are unable to boot into BIOS, then follow this guide. Now, when you are inside the BIOS settings, select the TPM option. If not available, follow this guide. These settings are sometimes contained in a sub-menu in the UEFI BIOS labeled Advanced, Security or Trusted Computing. The option to enable the TPM may be labeled Security Device, Security Device Support, TPM State, AMD FTPM Switch, AMD PSP FTPM, Intel PTT or Intel Platform Trust Technology. Once you have selected the option, hit Enter. Now, select Disabled. Press F10 to save and exit. Reboot your computer. Restart your PC, check for updates and see whether you receive the enrollment option. So those were a few ways to fix the missing Enroll Now option in Windows 10. To be on the safer side, upgrading to Windows 11 makes good sense. But if you are only using Windows 10, the above methods should help you out. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.